black, love, and confidence too. Kinda quintessential and you loving you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, it's your girl here, Janae, back with another video. So today I will be doing a tutorial on how I achieve a easy curly updo using Kaleidoscope hair product. For this look here, I decided to actually blow out my hair because I wanted to really style my hair on this first day. I didn't really want to sit under the blow dryer and, you know, just wait for hours and hours for it to dry. So I just decided to do a blowout. So the first thing that I'm doing here is just sectioning off so that way I can make my styling process go more smoothly and I don't really have to run into any problems. So I started off with using their milkshake detangling spray, which is great for defining your curls and also enhancing it, and it's great for refreshing your style. So I'm just using it for detangling, just making sure that I run into no problems with any tangles. So I did use their powder brush as well, which I adore. So now I'm creating 4 sections. So I will be applying their Kaleidoscope sleek edges to help lay down my edges and make sure that my hair can become all smooth and put together. So I just use my fingers at first, and then I just use this part here just to make it into 2. And then after I do that, I just use my comb as well to help smooth my edges down. And then I just start to apply the rubber bands on there. So after I did that, this is how my sections look. So then I'm going to be applying some more sleek edges onto my strand just to make sure that my hair is sleek when I actually bring it over to this section here. So I'm actually just crisscrossing here, just making a little cute design, and I use the same rubber band color to just apply it on top. After I secure my rubber bands, I'm just taking this section here and I'm just going to be creating a flat twist, nothing in particular, just flat twisting my hair. When I get to the end of that, I'm just going to apply some more rubber bands to help secure it. I just did both sides identical, so now we're going to go ahead and work on the middle section. So I am going to make this a diagonal part. So what we're going to be creating here is kind of like triangle part. So I'm just going to take this part here and just create a triangle, and I'm also going to repeat the same steps on the other side. After I apply all of the rubber bands, now I'm going to just split this in half, and I'm just going to pin this one side up so it can be out of my way. But now I'm going to just take the other side and bring it to the other triangle that I created and just secure it with a rubber band. And I'll also do that for this side as well, and then we're just going to secure it with a rubber band. And then after we do all of that, I'm just going to twist the 2 front parts down, just going to create a look here. I don't really know what look I'm creating, but I love to be creative, so I'm just really going with the flow of my hair, and so far it looks so good. So yes, and I already can see the shine in my hair, so I'm already definitely loving everything about this look. So now we're going to go ahead and move on. So now I'm just moving on the back of my hair, section off, and then we're going to be applying the Kaleidoscope Silk Wrap Foaming Lotion, which I do love. It's great for setting your hair. It holds a style and also defines your curls very well. So I just applied it on my section here, and I'm just detangling, making sure I have no tangles. And I'm just applying my hair onto the perm rod. I'm just winding my hair all the way till I get to the ends of my hair. And because my hair is not wet, I did apply a little more of the foaming lotion on the end so that it can actually help stick onto my perm rod. When applying the foaming lotion on your hair, you want to make sure that you apply just enough where you can actually get a hold or a curl to define, but you don't want to put enough that your actual hair reverts back to curly. So you'll kind of be able to see how much you apply on your hair. I used about 3 pumps, and then on the ends I did use an additional amount only because I did want it to stick, and also I wanted my ends to come out really well. So as you see, I just applied a little more on my ends, and then I'm just rolling it up, and then I'm securing it close to my scalp, and then yeah, just keep on repeating the same process. Okay, so now my hair has already dried and we sat under the dryer for 1 hour and my hair is completely dry, and look at the results already. Look how my curls is immediately bouncing back, and also there's a lot of shine on my hair. So yeah, I am already loving it. Like I said, like I already knew that this was going to turn out well. But anyways, I'm just repeating the same process. I'm just taking out all the rods, and then after I take down all of my rods, I just start to separate my curls, and I just use my finger and I go in the same direction that I actually rolled it onto my rods. So I'm just twirling it around, and as you see, the definition is so amazing, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. So after I unravel and separate, I'm just going to be taking my hair and gathering it at the top. So we're going to be creating a updo, I guess you could call it a bun or however you want to call it. So I'm just using this little ponytail hook clip, and I'm just helping secure my hair just by wrapping it around, and then I'm just going to secure it. And then after that, I will be fluffing and picking it out just to create a lot of volume at the top of my hair. I'm not going to go too crazy because I don't want to lose any definition, but I'm just going to do just enough to where I feel that my hair looks good. So then after that, I'm just taking out some little hairs to create like a little curly suit right in the back. And so then after that, I'm just securing any parts that actually came out. I did apply some beads at the ends of my twist. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is applying some Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. I love how easy the application is, and also it's very lightweight, so it don't really feel heavy at all. And I just apply not too much. I didn't squeeze the bottle all the way, but just squeeze it just a little bit, so that way I know that I'm applying a good amount on there without actually putting too much where it's just running down on me. But anyway, this is just the finished look, you guys. Look at how it looks, the shine, the definition, the twist, everything about it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and also like this look as well. Please do give me a thumbs up, and also check out ilovecolors.com so that way you can get your products today. Yeah, love y'all. Bye.